point out to the infighting and the charges that have been traded between Rahul Gandhi and Pinarayi Vijayan. He said Pinarayi Vijayan and Rahul Gandhi are attacking each other, and this exposes the infighting within the INDI bloc. Let's listen in to what the Prime Minister said.
क्योंकि उनके अलायंस के साथी भी एक दूसरे को गालियां दे रहे हैं। कल आपने उनके एक साथी केरल के मुख्यमंत्री ने जो शाहजादे को सुनाई है, मैं भी कभी ऐसी भाषा नहीं बोलता हूं, ऐसी भाषा बोली है उन्होंने साथी को। ये हाल है उनका। अब जैसे इन्होंने अमेठी से भागना पड़ा, अमेठी छोड़ा, अब मान के चलिए वो
Jayalakshmi continues to be with us. Jayalakshmi, this infighting definitely is something that the BJP will not let go of. In fact, from day one, ever since the INDI bloc came together, the BJP said this is coming together of parties who have no agenda. They just want to defeat Modi. That's their sole purpose for coming together. And when you have such allegations being leveled by two allies against each other, BJP will use every opportunity.
You know, definitely, as the BJP has been saying that Rahul Gandhi, who chose, we heard how, in fact, Smriti Irani, when she had come here for supporting K. Surendran on the day of nomination, she had clearly taken out on Rahul Gandhi when she said that he left his family from Amethi, which he claimed was his family for so long, and now he has come to Wayanad and he's claiming the same thing. So clearly, Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party is trying to fool the people of the state by calling the Amethi, by calling people of Wayanad the family.
Right.
And the BJP is again questioning how can one leave their family, already existing family, and come and contest and say the same thing in somewhere else. So that again is something that BJP is definitely trying to take advantage of as poll season is in.
All right, Jayalakshmi, thank you very much for getting us the updates. With that, we're slipping into a very short break. News and updates will continue.